cover numeric category functions in this video lecture. According to the new syllabus of class 12th, we have to cover only 3 functions in the numeric category, that is pow, or we can say power. Second is mod, and third is round. Only 3 functions we have to study in class 12th new syllabus, but we have many more functions in numeric category also, but I will not teach in this lecture because it is out of the syllabus for class 12th. Okay, first I will take power function. Clear? Power function is used to calculate base raised to the power power. This function used to return, we can say, base raised to power, as in mathematics. Clear? For example, b raised to the power e. If I want to do this functioning in MySQL, I will write the power function. The syntax for the power function is power base exponent. Clear? This argument, both the arguments should be numeric. Both the arguments should be numeric, because if I am taking the category numeric and I am calculating the power, it means I cannot calculate the power of characters. It must be numeric only. Clear? This is the syntax of the power function. Now, if I will use it in a query, select power. Suppose I want to calculate 5 raised to the power 3. Select power 5, 3 semicolon. What I will get? 5 raised to the power 3, that is 125. You can do the rough work if you want to see. 5, 5, 5 multiplied 3 times and you will get 125. Clear? This is the functioning of power function. If I am taking here, select power. Suppose I have a function price here, comma 2 from item. Now you can see this item is what? This is the name of the table and this price is the name of column. It means what does this query return? This query returns square of price column from the table item. Clear? This is how the power function works in MySQL. Now I take the second function from your syllabus, that is mod. Mod is used to calculate, it is used to return remainder, that you already know that mod means modulus, remainder after division. Syntax is mod. Here you have to pass 2 numbers. First is n1, second is n2. Both are numeric. Clear? If I am writing here mod 5, 2, it means I am dividing the 5 by 2 and whatever remainder is there, that is 1, it will be returned. Write here number and here you will write the quotient. It divide the number and return the remainder after division. Clear? Next is one more example I want to take, mod. Suppose I have used 17, 2, select query. Clear? What does this function return? 17 divided by 2. This is my number and this 2 is my divisor. Divide the number 17 by 2. 2 8s are 16. The remainder is 1. It means this function will return me 1. Clear? if I am taking here mod 2 comma 5, what you will get? Now this number is less than this divisor, you will get the modulus 2 itself. How? Divide the number 2 by 5, it is a smaller number, so it divide by 0. Okay, the remainder is 2. Clear? This is how the modulus function work. You can use modulus function like that also. You can take the help of operator also. Here I am using the operator for calculating the modulus. You will get the same answer. It means in MySQL we have two alternate to calculate the modulus. One is this operator percentage and second is this function mod. Okay. Third function which is in your syllabus is round. This round function is, what does this function do? This function returns the rounded off number according to the mathematical rules. As you all know that how we do the rounding in mathematics, that rules are followed here also. The syntax for rounding is round. There is a function round in MySQL. Take here two parameters. N is my number, this number, and it is obviously it is numeric, and numeric means it may be decimal or it may be integer also. Here I am writing the decimal points. Up to how many decimal you want to round off the number. This is the integer number you have to give here. Clear? Two parameters are there. First is number, second is decimal points, and this part is optional. You can skip the decimal points also. If example number 2, select round 38.962, 1. Now what will happen? Here 1 is the number of one decimal I want after rounding. Clear? It means 38 point, you can see here this point is 9, and which part I want to remove? This part I want to remove, and this number is greater than 5. It means round off to next. So you will get after rounding 39.0. Clear? One more example. Select round 38.9, 3. Here I have only one decimal. I want to round off to 3 decimal. It means I will get 38.900. Two more decimal points are created with 0. Clear? Now I will discuss some examples. 136.98, -1. Here I am using minus. Understand the concept of negative here. -1 means nearest tens. I will round off to nearest tens, nearest 100. For this I have to give here negative value. Clear? Now see, when I am using here negative, this part will be round off. Left part will be rounded off. Clear? According to these rules. Now 140 tens. This number is nearer to this. It means the output of this query will be 140. Clear? And if I am using here -2, now see, with -2 what will happen? If I am used here by -2, what will happen? Now 136 nearest 100 I have to make. This number lies between 100, 200. This number is nearer to this 100. It means you will get the output. 100. Clear? This is the concept of round function with the negative number here and positive number. Clear? I hope you clear all the concept. Okay, see you soon in the next video.